Hello everyone and welcome to Tips World. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for new post notifications and updates. And for more details, do not forget to check the links in the description of this video. Without wasting any much time, let's dive directly into our today's episode. So in our today's episode, we are actually navigating with you through the top tips that you can actually use to improve the performance of your computer system by up to 99%. And of course, this is episode 5 of this series. If you actually want to see other tips and tricks that you can use to improve your computer system performance, then make sure to check episode 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the link are actually below this video description. So today, in our today's episode, the first in our list that you can actually use to improve the performance of your PC or your computer system is actually coming to this search area here and type settings. Make sure to type settings and you are going to see settings here as it is here. Just click on settings and you'll be taken here. Once as you are here, make sure to come to this section that says, just scroll down here. You are going to see this area that says privacy. Click on privacy and you will be taken to this area. Just make sure to make use of this left hand sidebar. Scroll to the bottom of this area and you are going to locate this area that says background apps. Make sure to click on background app and you are going to be taken to this section. Once as you are here, make sure that you switch off all of these programs or icons that are actually here. You can see all of these programs running from the back end of your PC are actually on by default. So what you need to do is to make sure that you come and switch them off, especially for programs that you no longer use. Make sure to switch them off, like for example, turn them off, and so that this will not be running from the background from the back end without you noticing. And when this runs from the back end, it actually brings down the performance of your computer system. So this is actually the first step that you need to do to improve the performance of your system. So the next step that you need to do is to actually come again to this area, this search section, but this time you are going to type update. Click search for update and you are going to see this area that actually say check for update. Click on this area that says check for update and you are going to be taken to this section. This area is very, very relevant because once as you are using an older version of Windows or this program that you are running from the PC, it actually brings down the performance. And of course, when you come to this area, you are going to see Windows Update. Make sure to go for, if you are going to see a section that says check for update, click on it and you check for update, install it, and once the installation is completed, restart the PC and that area will be done. So let's go to advanced and see what we have. This area that says choose how updates are installed. Of course, if you choose automatic, which is actually recommended, it is also good, but sometimes the disadvantage of this area is that it might be updating from the back end without you noticing, and it can actually consume a lot of data, especially if you are sharing data from your mobile device. But of course, if you are using a Wi-Fi that you pay for a monthly service, you can actually leave it on automatic recommended. And when this area is being done like this, anytime that new updates are available, of course, it doesn't need you to check again for update before installing them. They automatically be updated from the back end. So make sure that you come to this section, check on updates if there are any updates available, because here you can see that for me, they say updates are available because I've checked for updates and now updates are available. So when you check for updates, if updates are available, you are going to see these notifications that says updates are available. Click on details and they will give you all the available updates that you need to update. And of course, if these updates are not installed, are not downloaded and installed, it might be the reasons why your PC performance is actually right down. It is actually not performing great. So what you need to do, if you see updates that are available, make sure that You can also manually, like now it is waiting for download. If you click on waiting for download, it will start downloading and they will be installed. So make sure to set it on automatic, especially if you are using a Wi-Fi that you pay for a monthly service. And this is the next step that you need to take. So the next step that you need to do, the next step that you can take to improve your PC performance is to come again here to this search section. This time you are going to type settings. Once you type settings, you are going to see these settings here. Click on settings and you'll be taken to this section. Once as you are here, just make sure that you find this area that says update and security. Update and security. Click on update and security and you are going to be taken here. Now in this section, you will need to go to this area that says Windows Defender. Just make sure to click on Windows Defender and you are going to be taken to this section. Once as you are here, just make sure to scroll right down to the bottom here and locate this area that says Use Windows Defender. Click on Use Windows Defender and you are going to be taken to this section. Here, just navigate to this section that says Update, click on it and click on Update. Once you do that, it will be updated from the back end, and of course, when the update is completed, you will be on the latest version of the update. Secondly, what you can do is to make sure to come back to this home section, come on this section that says Scan option, come to full scan and scan your device. Once you scan it, all of the errors caused by some viruses or other program files that are actually harmful or causing the slowdown of the performance of your system, it will actually be detected and you can send that to quarantine or remove it from your system. So these are actually the steps that you can actually take to improve the performance of your system. This is actually episode 5 of this series. Please make sure to check episode 1, 2, 3, 4 from the link below this video description. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for new post notifications and updates, and see you again in our next episode.
And now I know my heart is a ghost town.